Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge A1 Mover Speaking Test. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Pujita.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Okay, Pujita. Now I will show you a picture. Here there are two pictures actually, and the pictures look same, but there are some differences. So can you find out the differences?
There one picture. There is boy eating a burger.
Picture two.
Picture two. There
boy.
is the boy eating fries.
Okay. In picture one.
In picture one, the
alien.
the alien have 3 legs. The picture two, the alien has 4 legs.
4 legs.
In picture one, their jacket is red.
Red.
In picture two, the jacket is yellow.
Okay.
In picture one, there is cloud. In picture two, there is sun.
Okay.
In picture one, there is a bird. In picture two, there is a cat.
Okay, that's nice. Now I'll show another one that you have to tell the picture. Like here's the boy name is Fred. Okay, so the story name is Fred Loves Food. Can you tell me the story?
Fred's mom give Fred food.
In picture
In
two.
picture two, Fred
Eats.
eats his food
fast.
In picture three, he
Takes
food
from
dad. In picture four,
Dad
dad
was
was
shocked.
shocked.
Okay. That means Fred loves food. Do you like food? Yes, right? Okay. So now here are some pictures and you have to find the different one. In the first line, which one is different?
The book is different.
Why the book is different?
Because
Lemon.
this is lemon, pineapple and orange. There is book.
This is book. And we know that lemon, pineapple and orange are fruit. Okay. So which one is different here?
This is different.
This one is different, right? The salad is different. Why? Because rice ball is cooked, sandwich is cooked, and the
chow is cooked.
And now in this line, which one is different?
This is different.
Why? Because the girl has curly hair and there's a straight hair, right? Okay. Now in this, which one is different?
This is different.
This is different because
she going
up and the remaining are going
down.
Okay, that's the end of part 3. Now Pujita, I'll be asking some questions about your friend. So, do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What is the name of your best friend?
My best friend name is Ahinjita Das.
Okay. So, where do you meet your best friend?
I meet my best friend at school.
At school. What games do you play with your best friend?
I play with my friends hide and seek.
Hide and seek. So now tell me, do you and your friends go to the same school?
Yes, we go to the same school.
Okay. So why do you like your best friend? She's friendly?
She's friendly and she helps one another.
Okay, she helps me. Okay. So that's the end of your speaking test. Say hi to the audience.